the biggest difference, and I think the most positive difference, was their um, their self-esteem, their confidence again in entering college. They knew how to study. They knew how to work with an assignment. They knew how to get started. We also gave them an optional computer skills workshop one afternoon a week, so that helped them too. We introduced them to our email system and things like that that would, so they would be more comfortable when they started their classes.
There have been many success stories from the Bridge program. I can think particularly of several students who came in after having taken the placement test, and they had placed into the lowest levels of the developmental studies strata for English and for math. And some of those students who placed in the lowest levels actually were able to move up to the highest level. Now, that initially was a desired outcome, but it was not the primary focus for the Bridge English program. The primary focus was to get them prepared to take whatever courses they were going to take. So if they were going to, for example, have to go into English 070 or Reading 070, they would be acquainted with the kinds of things that would be presented to them in those courses. But what we did find out was that after that 6-week period, we had students who actually went from English 070 to English 095. So that was a wonderful success story. We also have had students to experience successes not just academically, but as a result of their interaction with the teachers and the other students in the program. Even right now, and I see several of the students during this semester. Some of them are in the same classes, and they form study groups. They keep up with one another. If someone doesn't make it to class, they make sure that that person has what they need in order to complete the assignments for the next day. They're concerned about the welfare of each other, and these were support systems that many of them did not have in place before they even came to college. So the success has extended beyond just the academic realm. It has impacted the individual holistically.
I think that initially we anticipated the gain for the student to be an increase in their placement testing scores. However, once we started the program, we realized that they were actually developing their skills that were going to help them to be successful in the classes, the developmental classes or curriculum classes that they would take in the fall. So that was the biggest probably outcome.